Welcome to Galaxy the Global. MS Outlook. It is an email client which provides you a better platform to access multiple email accounts at a time. Using this program, you can send and receive mail via email server. Today I'll discuss about MS Outlook, that why is used and how to use it. If you are interested to know this, please watch this video till the end. Let's begin, guys. At first, you have to open Gmail account. And after completing this procedure, click on setting icon. After clicking on this, drop down list will appear where you have to select setting options and click on it. After clicking on this option, this type of screen will appear where you have to select forwarding and pop/IMap tab and click on it. After clicking, you'll get another screen where you have to choose an option for enabling IMap server, just like this. Now your IMap has been successfully enabled, and your next need have to enabling less secure apps. Let's go ahead, guys. Click on help or support button. After this clicking, an action will appear as a help screen. Type some contents such as less secure apps on the help search bar and press enter. Please choose less secure apps and your Google account from help searching down list and click on it. After clicking, an option will shown as the name of if less secure app access is off for your account, where you have to click. And after this procedure, another sub options will appear here as a link of turn it back on, where you have to click. After clicking, a new window will open. In this window, an option will shown as the name of allow less secure apps off. Using this option, you have to enable or on less secure apps. After completing this procedure, a mail will get in your inbox from Google Mail, where mentioned that access for less secure app setting has been turned on. Now you are completely eligible for add your email account on the platform of MS Outlook. Let's come to see how to add my email account on the platform of MS Outlook. At first, please open MS Outlook. If you open first time, then welcome screen will appear on your desktop. Just insert that email ID inbox, which is to add here, and click on connect. After clicking on connect button, you also insert the password of your email account here and click on connect button again. Your email account will be added automatically immediately. Now you can see your email account here, which is added. If you want to add more email account, then insert your another email account in the given below box and click on next button. After finishing this process, please click on done button. Now you are completely prepared for use this. As like your Gmail account, you can see mailbox and also use it. Thank you. In next part, I'll discuss how to use it.